In the wild, if a social mammal is separated from the pack, its body enters a state of high alert survival mode. Its blood pressure spikes. Its immune system switches from fighting viruses to fighting bacteria, preparing for a physical wound that is almost certainly coming. Today, your body is doing the same thing, but there is no predator. There is only the quiet, crushing realization that you are alone in a room full of people. We've been told loneliness is a feeling, but the data shows it's actually a structural defect in the modern world. Psychologist John Cacioppo discovered that loneliness isn't just sadness. It is a biological drive as powerful as hunger. Just as hunger tells you to eat, loneliness tells you to connect. But we've built a world where that drive has nowhere to go, and the health consequences are staggering. Chronic loneliness carries a 26% increased risk of mortality. That's the equivalent of smoking 15 cigarettes a day. In fact, research shows that chronic loneliness triggers the same part of your brain as physical pain. When you say your heart aches from being alone, your brain isn't being metaphorical. It is literally processing a wound. To fix this ache, we've turned to parasocial relationships. We scroll through social media, where creators look directly into the camera and say things like, "Hey bestie," or "I'm here for you." It's estimated that by 2026, 17% of the global population will suffer from social media addiction, largely because these platforms give us the signal of a friend without the substance of a relationship. Our brains have evolved to distinguish between a face on a screen and a face in the room. When a creator looks at you, your brain releases a small hit of oxytocin. It's a digital band-aid on a biological hemorrhage. You feel connected for 10 minutes, but as soon as the screen goes black, you enter a dopamine deficit state, leaving you lonelier than before you clicked play. We blame ourselves for being introverted or awkward. But look at our architecture. We've replaced public squares with parking lots. We've replaced communal living with high-rise isolation. We are the first generation of humans attempting to survive without a tribe, and we are wondering why our biology is breaking. Over 7% of adults now experience chronic loneliness. In the UK alone, the cost of severe loneliness is estimated at nearly £10,000 per person per year in healthcare and lost productivity. It is quite literally an economic drain because a lonely human is a malfunctioning human. If you feel disconnected, understand that your body isn't broken, it's working perfectly. It's trying to save you from an environment that wasn't built for your species. The first step to fixing this epidemic is realizing that your loneliness isn't a secret shame. It's a collective cry for a different kind of world. Subscribe to It's Not Just You. Let's talk about the things we're all feeling, but nobody is saying. Because whatever you're going through, it's not just you. I'll see you in the next one.